Hey, it's Mark here. I wanted to give you the 411 on your ultimate presentation, the workshop. A lot of people are interested in the workshop, but they want to get the inside story. So I want to tell you in a couple of minutes where the idea came from, what it delivers, and what you're going to walk out with. Where it came from. I'm a creative director by trade. That means I spent my career standing up in front of often doubting clients or cynical clients and presenting very esoteric ideas. I can tell you, after years of doing this, you get pretty darn good at figuring out how to persuade people to buy an idea that they kind of don't even understand. That's where it came from. I was pitching and pitching and pitching, and I said, you know, I'm doing the same thing over and over again. Why don't I write this down? Why don't I help other people do it? And that's where I started helping other people present more effectively. One thing led to another, and your ultimate presentation now enables me to take about 10 workshoppers, put them in a room, and help them learn a methodology that will give them the tools to present more effectively. So what's the difference between your ultimate presentation and other speech coaches or presentation schools? I come at it from a creative director's perspective. That means it's a lot more about persuasion. It's a lot more about learning the psychology of your audience and tapping into that to persuade more effectively. And it's a lot more about the magic. It's a lot more about the storytelling, the sort of stuff that you see in a really great commercial where you go, wow, I want some of that. So what do we do in your ultimate presentation, the workshop? Well, there's a few things that you walk out with, valuable tools that I teach and help you with as you develop a presentation. There are things like collaboration, turning speech writing into a team sport, using things like writing partners and peer review. There's analog storyboarding, which takes the pain out of writing your speech because enables you to write down little ideas and you can move those ideas around instead of writing one long manuscript, which if somebody doesn't like it, you're back to square one. It's about adding story arcs so that people are entranced by what you're saying. People don't absorb data, they want stories. That's what we're wired to absorb. And finally, it's about taking down the pressure of your presentation using things like breadcrumb slideshows, so you only have to remember 30 seconds of your talk at a time. What happens when people come to the workshop? Well, I can tell you almost to the person, when folks walk into the workshop, they have a pretty clear idea of what they're going to present. A lot of them are experienced presenters. And almost to the person, they walk out of your ultimate presentation workshop with a completely transformed presentation and some extremely valuable tools that they can then take and teach to their colleagues. So I hope this little insight has been valuable to you. If you want to sign up for your ultimate presentation, there's the details right below. I hope to see you at one of the workshops.